Hello, it's Karen Burniston here with a project preview for our May 2025 virtual class. With our virtual classes, there is a die requirement, so 4 of our favorite dies, and the pop-ups are going to be made using our coffee cup pop-up. For our first card, we will go ahead and make a coffee-themed card. And so what's great about that coffee cup pop-up is it does have the clips to hold a standard size gift card. You certainly do not have to put a gift card in it, but it is a great way to present one. For card number 2, we're going to convert that coffee cup pop-up into a cup of soup and make this fun Get Well Soon card. And that's going to use those Get Well charms as well as the borders. So we're using those border blends Argyle throughout both cards. Both cards will use pattern paper from Simple Stories. All right, let's talk about the format of our virtual classes and your kit options. So if you do not already own the 4 required dies, then your best value is going to be to bundle them with your paper extras and instructions. However, these are favorite dies, so maybe you already own 1 or more of those required dies. So you do have an option to get just your paper extras and instructions without the dies. However, you do still need the die. So that's the tier to choose if you already own 1 or more of the required dies, and then you just pick up the ones that you still need. All right, now here's why you need those dies, because when your kit arrives, it's going to be those bulk papers that you need to create these cards, and then you are going to follow the very detailed PDF instructions and prep work video that arrives to you by email 10 days before the class premiere. So for this class, that's going to be around May 14th, okay? So that email will come from the place where you purchased your kit, and then you will just follow along with that prep work video and those instructions to prep your kit for class day. With virtual classes, the class day recording is pre-recorded for YouTube, and then it will have a premiere time. So in this case, May 24th, 2025 at 11 a.m. Central. You do not have to watch that video at the premiere. It's just going to be there for you whenever you're ready to complete your class projects. Okay, where do you purchase a kit? So you've got options. Your best bet is to go onto KarenBurniston.com. That's our website. Click on the events tab and then current events. From there, you can choose to purchase from us. We will have a limited number of kits available on our website. Once they're gone, they're gone. But there are also 5 stores that are making kits for this class, and you will find those links on that events tab on our website.